Hi guys, welcome back to my page on YouTube videos. This is Lily. Thank you for joining me again. So this is I think this is the the third part of our holiday so far. So we're in Wellington right at this time, and as you look out there, this hotel is connected to that hotel down there, which is called Willis Wellington Hotel. So thank you guys for just keeping in touch with my page, and so we're just so blessed to be here, and we'll just carry on. Honey, come and say something, sweetheart. So we're just checking out this morning, and we'll be carrying on with the next journey. We've been at Stephen's cousin Pule, a wonderful family, beautiful to catch up with them and worship together and attend a service together. So right now we're just getting ready now to head up to Taranaki and just see maybe a little part of Wellington. We have seen Wellington, but I believe it's more important for Michelle, who's from Sydney, to see more of Wellington than us, because we've been here before and we're seeing quite a few sites, but it's always nice to see it again and again and again. So thank you guys again for keeping up with my journey, and we've just so wrapped with our holiday so far. We're just so happy, so wonderfully blessed as well, because we get to enjoy this part of our holiday with my son Leroy and his beautiful wife Michelle and our baby granddaughter Luta, and she's been so wonderful. It's only a few times that we've had to stop on the way, but we've just seen so many sights, and we're just so blessed to be on a family holiday. We're missing our daughter, and we're going to catch up tomorrow and continue our blessed time with our children before they venture back to Australia. So thank you again. It's just wonderful. So happy. Oh, another thing. The other night we were here, we were sleeping. We felt the earthquake. So I think it was around about 5 or 6 in the morning. I have never felt anything like it before in my life. And I kind of stirred and woke up, and I thought, what was that? Was that wild dogs running around outside? Or, that's all I was thinking. What could that? I've never heard it before. And I could just, bring this image up of dogs just running around and fighting. And I thought, there's no dogs around here. But yes, when my husband said that's an earthquake, and I said, what? Why is everybody not getting up? And they said it's only on the second tremor that people would get up, and but I think people continue to sleep through it. But this part of our journey has been amazing, physically, mentally, and spiritually. It's our first time away from Auckland since together with the family since we've been back in New Zealand anyway. But I just want to thank you guys. Thank you for keeping in touch with me and following my YouTube videos, which I'm so wrapped about. And we will continue our journey, and I will continue to make some short videos. So for now, I would just say goodbye, and we'll see you again on my next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. Bye.